In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Mailto link in Elementor. We'll walk through the process step by step. So even if you're new to Elementor, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end, you'll have a button that opens your visitor's email app and starts a new message to your chosen address with a single click. First, open any page in the Elementor editor. This can be an existing page you want to update or a new page you're designing from scratch. Once the page loads in Elementor, you'll see your layout in the main area on the right and the Elementor panel with all the widgets on the left. In that left panel, scroll through the list of widgets until you find the button widget. If you prefer, you can also use the search bar at the top of the panel and type button to locate it quickly. When you see the button widget, click and drag it onto your page and drop it in the section where you want the email button to appear. As soon as the button is placed and selected, its settings will show up in the left panel. By default, you'll be in the Content tab. Here you can control the basic behavior and text of the button. Make sure the button type is set to default, which is usually fine for a regular email button. In the text field, type what you want your visitors to see, such as contact us or email support. Now, in the link field, you're going to add your Mailto link. The format is simple. Type Mailto, followed directly by the email address you want to receive messages at with no spaces. For example, it would look like mailtoexample@domain.com. When someone clicks this button, it will open their default email application and start a new email address to that email. If you want to customize the look of the button, switch to the Style tab at the top of the panel. Here you can adjust things like the typography, text color, background color, border radius, and padding to match your site's design. For more advanced options, go to the Advanced tab. In this section, you'll find controls for layout, motion effects, transform, background, borders, responsive behavior, attributes, and custom CSS, giving you full control over spacing, animations, and fine-tuned styling. Once you're happy with everything, don't forget to update or publish your page so the changes go live.